The Yangtze River Delta is one of the most vibrant, open, and innovative city clusters in China. It has matured into a pace-setter of high-quality development and reaped major benefits from its integrated development, which was established 6 years ago as a national strategy. The Yangtze River Delta region takes up only 4% of China's land area, but contributes about 25% of national GDP. It encompasses Shanghai Municipality and the provinces of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Anhui.
我们长三角三省一市呢，正在努力地构建以创新共同体为核心的协同创新框架。那在此之中呢，上海也在不断地发挥它的龙头带动效应，三省一市呢也在各扬所长，发挥他们的积极配合以及他们在创新中的独特的位置。那可以看到，尤其是在前沿技术突破方面，在我们的科技投入的增长方面，还有我们的创新辐射的提质增效方面，三省一市已经发挥出了巨大的效应。那这个呢，正在推动我们整个长三角成为我国科技经济发展的重要驱动力。
Several years ago, 9 districts and cities in the region created the G60 Science and Technology Innovation Corridor. This collaboration aims to provide an integrated development platform driven by scientific, technological, and institutional innovation.
G60 科创走廊是一条走廊，把9个城市呢串联起来。我们推动了这个科创的要素在9城市之间自由流动，让大家9城市呢各扬所长，通过不管是原材料也好，研发制造也好，应用场景也好，能够形成这样一个链条，来打造世界级先进产业集群。